Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandeep and in this video I will talk about cumulative total or running total. This is a very important topic both from an interview point of view and if you are working as a Power BI developer, I am 100% sure you will come across a requirement where you need to show the cumulative total. So in this video I will explain cumulative total in a simple way, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's first understand the definition. Cumulative total is the total sum of a value like sales, profit or quantity from the beginning of a period up to the current point in that period. Now let's understand why cumulative total is useful. In a cumulative total chart, the line should go up continuously because it keeps adding values over time. If line becomes flat, it means there is no growth, something might be wrong and we need to check. So for an example, here you can see from August to December, you can see the flat line. That means here we need to more focus in terms of sales growth. And if line jumps suddenly, it means there is a growth or improvement like more sales or orders. So with the help of cumulative total, we can easily track performance over time. See where we are doing well and where we need to improve. Before we move further, let me show you the data sets. I have two tables here. One is the sales data table. Here I have two columns, date and sales amount. And the other one is calendar table. I created the calendar table using the min and max dates from the sales data table. If you are not sure how to create a calendar table, I will provide the video link in this video description. So from there, you can watch the video. Now let me show you the relationship between these two tables. And here you can see the relationship between both tables. I created a relationship between the sales data table and calendar table based on the date columns. Now create a measure for cumulative total. For that, right click on the dataset name and select new measure. After that, write this DAX code. Now I will explain you this DAX code in detail. Here cumulative sales is measure name. After that we used calculate DAX function. So it tells Power BI to calculate something with modified filter. Then we used sum DAX function. Here it adds up all the sales amount. Then we used filter. That means we are applying a custom filter on dates. After that we used all selected DAX function. It takes all dates that are visible after slicer or filters. And then we used filter condition calendar date less than equal to max calendar date. It keeps only the dates that are less than or equal to the current date in the visual. After that, click on commit. Now in the report page, I added one slicer with the calendar date column. So here you can see I added date from the calendar table and go to the format tab, expand the slicer setting and here select the style between. Next, I added one line chart. So in the line chart, x-axis, I added date column from the calendar table. Right click on the column and select date hierarchy. And here I removed quarter and day from the date hierarchy because I want to see the data only for the year and month label. And in the y-axis, I added the cumulative sales measure which we have created earlier. So here you can see the cumulative total result. Now I will explain you this result in the table visual. So add one table visual here and in the table visual you can see I drag date column from the calendar table then sales amount column from the sales data table, and in the last I drag cumulative sales measure. Now let me clear the date slicer result because I want to see the all data in the visuals. Now understand the result of cumulative sales. For the 1st of January 2023, here you can see the sales 100 and cumulative sales result is 100 because before 1st of January 2023 we don't have any sales. So that's the reason it is showing the same sales. For the 2nd January 2023, sales is 200 and here you can see the cumulative sales is 300, which is total sales for the 1st of January and 2nd January. 100 plus 200 equal to 300. For the 3rd of January, here you can see the sales 150 and cumulative sales is 450. This is the total sales from 1st of January to 3rd of January. Means 100 plus 200 plus 150 equal to 450. In same way, you can cross check the result of the cumulative sales. For the 10th of January, sales is 160 and cumulative sales is 1860, which is the total of sales from 1st of January to 10th of January. And the another way to check this, previous cumulative sales result is 1700, which is total sales from 1st of January to 9th of January. 1700, and for the 10th of January 1700 plus 160 equal to 1860. And for the 11th of January 2023, here you can see that we don't have any sales and it is showing the same cumulative sales 1860. Reason behind, from 1st of January 2023 until 10th of January 2023, cumulative sales summation was 1860. For the 11th of January we don't have any sale, so it will consider this 0. So 1860 plus 0 equal to 1860. In same way, for the 12th of January we don't have any sale, so it will consider this 0. So previous sale summation was 1860 plus 0, again 1860. And for the 1st February 2023, sales is 200. So previous cumulative sales result was 1860 plus 200 equal to 2060. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how the cumulative total works and why it is useful in data analysis. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.